How to effectively use affiliate marketing strategies. Are you constantly failing with your affiliate marketing strategies? Are you considering giving it up? Do not quit. In this video there are some great tips that can help assist you in this process. If you apply these tips, you will have a great shot at finally being successful with affiliate marketing. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. One of the biggest drawbacks in affiliate marketing is overreaching. If you are overworked, you will undoubtedly begin to fail at your task, so always remember that it's best to set micro goals for each day instead of attempting to plan your itinerary weeks or months in advance. Start on the smallest of levels, micromanaging your routine, and then you can expand as you progress. Do not go crazy with social media updates and internet searching if you want to remain productive in affiliate marketing. Checking your email multiple times per day or changing your Facebook status is great to do in your downtime, but remember that becoming a successful affiliate is not downtime. Keep your mind on task. Never be afraid to outsource tasks in affiliate marketing in order to increase productivity. A lot of affiliates, especially startups, only trust themselves to do the work. But you may be missing out on a golden opportunity. Of course, you always need to thoroughly vet anyone to whom work will be outsourced, but if you can get it done for cheap, go for it. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. These pieces of advice show that success with affiliate marketing is possible. You just need to work hard and be smart. Since these tips will help you make the smart decisions, half of the battle is already won. Now, work hard on these strategies, and you will see your earnings grow with affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.